Hello everybody, welcome to this next video on linear algebra. In this video we are continuing our results on nilpotent operators. Last video was also about the results on nilpotent operator. So here in this video we are saying that suppose T1 and T2 are two nilpotent operators that commute. Commute means T1 T2 equal to T2 T1. Then we have to show that both T1 plus T2 and T1 T2 is also a nilpotent operator. So the situation is that you have suppose T1 operator from V to V, which is nilpotent, say T1 raised to power K1 equal to 0 operator. This is the meaning of nilpotent operator. And then T2 is again an operator which is linear from V to V, and suppose its index is K2. So you are saying that T2 raised to power K2 is a 0 operator. So you should know that this is a 0 operator from V to V. Fine. Now we need to, and also it is given that T1 T2, which is a map from V to V, is same as, this is same as T2 T1, which is again a map from V to V, right? So let us see how we can prove that T1 T2 is nilpotent. So what you can do to prove T1 T2 is nilpotent, I want to prove that some power of T1 T2 is a 0 operator, right? So I am saying what you do, you take K is equal to minimum of K1 and K2. Whatever is the minimum, you can take that. And suppose here we have that K1 is minimum. Let us assume. Okay, obviously you can assume K2 also, that is your choice. So now what you do, T1 T2 raised to power K1, which is equal to K. So that will be T1 T2, T1 T2, T1 T2, how many times? K times, K1 times T1 T2. So now what you can do, you can bring T1 here because they commute. So you can write it as T2 T1, and then you have T1 T2, right? And then again, because everything is commutative here, so what you can do, you can bring all these T1s on the right hand side, right? So you have a situation like this: T2 raised to power K1, T1 raised to power K1, right? And this is 0 operator. So this is T2 K1 0 operator, which is 0 operator. So something, so you have T1 T2 raised to power something is a 0 operator. So it implies T1 T2 is a nilpotent operator, right? Similarly, you can prove that T1 plus T2 is also nilpotent operator. So let us see how you can prove that. To prove T1 plus T2, T1 plus T2 is a nilpotent operator. So what you can do, you can just take T1 plus T2 raised to power K1 plus K2. Now you can use binomial. What is this operator is K from 0 to K1 plus K2, K1 plus K2 C, which is for combinations, K, T1 raised to power K, T2 raised to power K1 plus K2 minus K. Now you see here K is running from 0 to K1 plus K2. Now you have two cases. If your K is greater than equal to K1, in that case this T1 raised to power K, that will be equal to T1 raised to power K1 into T1 raised to power K minus K1, because K is greater than K1, so this is positive. So this is our 0 operator, so that gives you a 0 operator, right? So in that case this quantity here is 0. And if K is less than K1, now in case K is less than K1, what will happen in that case? In that case K1 plus K2 minus K. Now you see K is less than K1, it implies K1 minus K is positive. So this quantity here is positive, so this number is greater than K2, right? So when K is less than K1, in that case this number is greater than K2. So therefore T2 raised to power K1 plus K2 minus K, you can write it as T2 raised to power K2, T2 raised to power K1 minus K, which is a positive quantity. So this is 0 operator, right? So whatever is the value of K, for all K's this is going to be 0. So this operator is a 0 operator. Therefore T1 plus T2 is nilpotent. Right. So this is an important result about the product and sum of two nilpotent operators when they are commutative. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends.